Hey guys, Mallory back. Today in Chapter 3, we're going to keep talking about software and especially in this section, getting help. Talk about commercial software applications. They're sometimes less commonly known as payware, and it is a computer software that is produced for sale or that serves commercial purposes. Commercial software can be proprietary software, or free software packages may also be commercial software. All or parts of the software packages and services that support commerce are increasingly made as free software. This includes products from Red Hat, Apple Computer, Sun, Microsystems, Google, and Microsoft corporations. Microsoft corporation actually uses commercial software, quote unquote, to describe their particular business model. So that's the first type of software that we're going to encounter. Talk about README files. A README file contains information about other files in the directory or archive and is commonly distributed with computer software. Such a file is usually a text file called readme.txt, readme.md, readme.first, or readme.me, or simply README. There's some other occasional ways to name it, but those are the most common. The name is chosen so that users unaware of the existence of this type of file would be drawn to read it. It is traditionally written in uppercase so that case-preserving environments using ASCII. Ordering the name will appear at the beginning of the directory since all the uppercase letters are before the lowercase letters in that type of system. FOSS applications, or free open source software applications, are the next type of software we're going to talk about. They're less common than commercial proprietary software, but free and open source software may also be commercial software. It is a user-facing software that does something useful under the operation of human being. So yeah, there's a lot of different types of FOSS. Free software is generally available at no cost and can result in permanently lower costs compared to the proprietary software. With free software, there's a lot of benefits. Businesses can fit software to their specific needs by changing the software themselves or hiring programmers to modify them, so it's adaptable. Free software often has no warranty, and more importantly, generally does not assign a legal liability to anyone. However, warranties are permitted between two parties upon the condition of the software and its usage. And this can be made through a free software license. Interesting fact is a report by the Standish Group says that the adoption of open source software has caused a drop in the revenue of proprietary software industry by about $60 billion per year. So there's definitely an increase in free open source software in the last few years. I'm going to talk about a wizard, which guides a user through connecting to the internet. There's a lot of different types of wizards, but the new connection wizard is one of the most important ones. It helps you connect to the internet or a private network such as your workplace network. So in computer terminology, a wizard is part of a program that guides you through certain steps. For example, a wizard in Microsoft would help you create a new document according to your needs. It's helpful when creating outline, invoice, etc. Some other examples of wizards are the Finale 2000 wizard, which helps you create a new music composition with your desired instruments, and PowerPoint wizard, which helps you set up using a presentation using a certain theme, which I actually did in creating this video. Basically, a wizard acts as a guide for creating a new document in a software program. Through the wizards, though wizards can be helpful, sometimes they can be a little bit more of a hassle for any experienced users. They are very user-friendly, but experienced users would opt to skip right through the wizards because they know all the user interfaces that they need. Wizards typically don't offer as much customization as experienced users may want, and the last thing I want to reiterate and make sure we have a distinction between is the difference between wizard and template. There is a difference. A template is a pre-formatted document that has been created for you to use and modify, whereas a wizard is a step-by-step guide that helps you to create your own document. So yes, it is adaptable, but we need to make sure we know the difference between wizards and templates. So those are just a lot of the different types of software facets in this chapter that are covered. Hi Mallory, thanks for watching.